Okay, what is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. And today it's 30 degrees. The water that's inside my cup holder is frozen. That's interesting. But today I'm going to throw crankbait. Not the crankbait, the lipless crankbait. And I have one tied up already, but I also have a few just in case they might want a different one. But it's sunny today, so I've got the chrome one on. So yeah, let's go find some fish. Hopefully we can convince one. Oh my god. Oh gosh, I'm snagged in the tree. What did I just do? We're already starting like this. This is crazy. Me. Whoa. Don't want to lose the rod. Put it in the boat. Oh, there's more stuff over there. Okay. Dang, almost lost my lipless already. Oh, it wrapped. Dang, it really wrapped. Holy cow. And I did it again. I need to pay more attention to where I'm at with this bait. Let me get away from this spot because I keep getting hung up in this tree. Literally, this tree. All right. Okay. Hopefully that'll help. Try not to get hung up again. I'll probably have to go out a little bit further just because I keep picking up all this grass and it's not popping off. Throw it out. Be a little bit deeper. Just hoping there's something over here that wants to eat it. Oh, I got one. Oh man, that was crazy. And he's nice. Oh, nice. Nice. All right, so it's holding at 2 pounds, 7 ounces. There we go. 2 pounds, 7 ounces. No largy, but nice. That was quick. Thanks for biting, dude. That was nice. 15 minutes in. Got a fish. Okay, little update. It's been an hour. Starting to warm up, which is good. You know, it's always good. We have one fish, a decent sized fish, but we haven't had any bites other than that one. So that's a little disappointing. But let's keep fishing. And so I made a mistake and I thought I was recording and I was not, and I just had a 1 pound 11 ounce fish on and you guys didn't see it, but man, that sucks. Let's see if I can pull up another one over here because dang. Okay, so we're back and today was a little disappointing because I wasn't recording when I caught that second fish. So that's 2 fish, but in the rules of YouTube, if it's not on video, it doesn't count. But that's the video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you have the time, watch another video, and I will see you guys next time.